we covered the difference between controlling behavior and changing behavior. With that in mind, a lot of people use tools and techniques that are meant to control behavior, but not change it. When faced with choosing a particular tool, technique, or approach, it's important to be mindful of what your dog finds aversive. Aversive means using discomfort, pain, fear, or stress to force obedience. These techniques achieve results through intimidation or emotional manipulation. Now, on the flip side, positive means using encouragement, proactive prevention, and rewards to teach new things. These techniques achieve results through motivation, and there is a huge difference between controlling behavior and preventing behavior. For example, an e-collar, which delivers a painful shock to the neck when your dog barks, is absolutely aversive. It's painful, it's scary, and it forces your dog to comply. They don't have a choice. However, closing the curtain to prevent the barking from happening in the first place is a positive prevention technique, and it causes no pain. Control focuses on stopping a behavior after it starts. Prevention focuses on making sure the dog never feels the need to engage in the behavior in the first place. From this perspective, positive training is more effective and productive. Our dogs are sentient, thinking, feeling beings, and to live in harmony with them, we must understand them and teach them, not control them. Control only works today, at this moment, and positively teaching new behaviors works in the long run. And in this course, we'll go more into how to use prevention techniques to transform your dog's behavior. I want to emphasize, to ensure the best results from this program, please refrain from relying on aversive techniques and tools. Usually employing these methods are made with good intentions to find a solution to the problem, and they seem to work, or even offer quick fixes. However, these methods can often lead to additional behavioral and even fear-based challenges for your dog, which could interfere with your training goals. Don't worry, we'll be revisiting the concept of positive and aversive regularly as we go through the course. I simply ask that you keep an open mind. You might find that some of the things we will be discussing will challenge your long-held beliefs about dogs. Most importantly, remember that it's not about whether something works or not, it's about how it works. For an aversive technique or tool to be successful, it must cause pain, fear, stress, or avoidance in your dog. Our focus in these courses is to teach you how to achieve results without causing any emotional or physical discomfort. Now, with this lesson, I've included a few handouts for you to review that differentiates between aversive and positive tools and techniques. On these, you'll find QR codes linked to recommended positive training tools that you can check out in preparation for upcoming lessons. Maybe you've seen some of the techniques and tools on these handouts before. So, take what you've just learned and see if you can identify why a listed technique might be considered aversive. And it's important to note that your dog determines what is aversive. You and I might use a tool that we consider effective, but if your dog considers it aversive, we need to be flexible and find an alternative, more positive approach. Justifications like, well, this is what a mom dog would do to them, or it's just a small vibration, often indicates the need for more research into positive methods. Anything that gets results through force or emotional manipulation is just going to hurt your dog, as well as your shared bond. So, as you progress, continue to consider and ask yourself, does this get results through force or encouragement? Through emotional manipulation or collaboration? Does this cause pain, fear, or discomfort in my dog? Or does this create positive emotions? Use these questions to navigate your choices. So have fun exploring these handouts, and I will see you in our next lesson, where we will be debunking some common dog training myths.